you to put a rush up on it like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it, that's ballin'. Texting on my ways, but you still stalling.
What is poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's yours truly, and you already know the name, Asia. And today's video is going to be a haul. So I did some online shopping on this website called Shopmissa. I'm sure you guys have probably heard about it. Everything is $1 on there. They got face products, they have eyes, lips, they have hair products, they have accessories, phone accessories, all type of stuff. So I went on there and I like to try new, like, just little different things. I'm super cheap when it comes to makeup, so I got a lot of makeup products because I wanted to try, and I just wanted to see how they worked. So I did that. I spent $35, I think, around $35, and I got 22 items. I know I said everything's $1, and y'all probably like, why did you spend $35 but you only got 22 items? One of the items I got was from a charity, like a little charity part of the website. So they sell like things in bulk, not in bulk, but like a brush set. So like a makeup brush set with like 10 or 15 brushes, like $10. So basically they put all the brushes in one box, and then you can buy them all together, which will make it like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, whatever you want to purchase. So I did that little charity thing. If you don't do that, then you can just skip that part of the website. Everything else is $1. So what I'm going to do is a haul, but at the same time I'm going to try the products out as I go. So I have a bare face right now. I didn't get any eyelashes, so that's why I have my eyelashes on. But everything else I can probably do like a little slight, like a slight makeup look. No eyeshadows because I don't know how to do eyeshadows, but everything else I could use to do my face. So let's get started. So this is the bag. I opened it because I was trying to see what it was like inside. So this is the bag, and inside of it is all my stuff in here. So it says like Miss A on the button, and then this is my invoice of all the stuff that I bought. So it said total items 22. So we're gonna see what 22 items I got. And y'all, this stuff came so fast. I ordered it probably like, I think I ordered it like 4 days ago. Maybe. I know I ordered it like right before Christmas, so I was expecting it to come like later, but it's kind of, everything is like locked inside of here, and we're gonna see. It said shipping would take like 7 to 10 days. Not even close. Like, I got away before that, so shout out to y'all. I'm gonna try to do it as I go so that I can do my makeup at the same time. These things aren't a part of my makeup, so I'm gonna just show y'all. So this right here is a blender base, so it holds your beauty blenders. But they're just super cute. I think I got like 6 of these. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I have so many beauty blenders. So I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna put them right there. The next thing, I got a bunch of stuff in here, so I'm just gonna slowly do this. This is my foundation, so being that I am doing my makeup, I got this foundation to try out. It's called Flawless Perfect Finish Foundation, and it is a drip, like a drip one, so it has a dropper. I got some primer too, so this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have really oily skin, so I'm gonna try these 2 primers out. One's a poreless primer and one's a mattifying primer. So it's just like this. Can't really see, but I'm gonna use these 2 right now, and we're gonna do the face at the same time. I hope this works because I'm super excited. Ooh. All right, that's the next product. So I got a bunch of brushes. This is the brush that I was talking about. I'm going to try to find a brush I can use in here to spread my foundation. So I'm just going to use this brush. And I'm going to be using this foundation that I showed you guys. This is the color beige, I think. Yeah, true beige. So this is color true beige. Hopefully it's my skin tone. It was kind of hard trying to match it online. So this looks really white. Kind of scared. Ooh, this is thick. Look at this. Wow, that is thick as ever. Okay, let's see. And it looks different. Like, it looks so much darker outside of the bottle. Let's try this. At this point, I'm just winging it. If anything, I feel like it just dissolved in my skin. Like, it's gone. It looks like it's nothing on my face. But I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Because, like, all the product is on this brush. Like, literally. I guess if you have, like, really, like, perfect, flawless skin, this could work for you. My skin is not perfect and flawless, so it kind of looks eh. So that is that. I don't too much know how I'm going to use this product, but we will see. The next product I got is a skin perfecting color correcting BB cream. I should have used this before my makeup foundation, I mean, but it just looks like this. I can't use this because you're supposed to use it before you put your foundation on, but that's okay. Next thing I got is a sculpting brow pencil. This is just what it looks like. And then let's see. I also got a pomade. I've always wanted to try pencils, so I'm going to see if I can do my brows with this. Okay, this is the spoolie part. I just have the cap on. And then this is the, wow, it's really thick. This is the brow part. I don't know how I'm supposed to sculpt my brows with that. This is the next product. I'm going to try it. This is the brow pomade. It looks like that. I'm just going to see how it is. It's really thick. I just put my brush in there and it is really thick. So, we're going to try it. Alright, so this is the brows. I think they look pretty nice. The next product that I got was this setting powder. So it's in the color Banana by AOA Studio. Almost all these products are AOA Studio, so I'm gonna see what this is talking about. You know, all setting powders aren't good, so we're gonna see. I did a little foundation, so I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eye to see what it looks like. And I'm going to be using this Wonder Bake, I don't know, sponge. And I got it in like a tan color. Super cute, super soft. So I'm going to use this to bake this product under my eye. So I just put it on this little sponge. it under my eye. This little sponge is perfect for this. Like, it goes under so perfectly. Even though it's clumpy, I mean, it went on pretty nice. So that is that. I'm gonna try it with other products, like a foundation that actually sticks on my face, and then see what it looks like. So all these rest of these little brushes are just these. I'm gonna take them all out of this so I can put them up into my brush thing. The next product I got was this nourishing lip oil, and it just looks like this. And I'm so excited for this because I've seen so many good reviews on it. It doesn't really smell like nothing. Oh yeah, I'm using this all the time. Okay, the next thing was a lip sugar scrub, and this is in a honey too. So, and I just put this oil on my lips, so I'm not gonna actually show this, but I will swatch it. Y'all, this is honey for real. So that's what the swatch looks like. The next product I got was this HD concealer. I didn't know this was a concealer. I thought this was a matte lipstick. This is for contour. So we're gonna try this contour. This stuff stinks. Oh yeah, this looks really nice. I wish I would have knew about these concealers before, because I would have ordered more. Okay. So that is the concealer. Looks really good. The next thing I got was AOA Studio Powlighter. So it's a highlighter, but it's a powder. So a powlighter. That is dope. And this is in the color Nebula. I'm just gonna take this little brush and I put it in the cap. Oh, that is pretty. So I'm going to be using this a lot. Other thing I got is just another beauty blender. It's just black. Ooh. Yeah, I like that already. I got this matte lipstick. I'm gonna try this out right now. Okay, let's see how this looks. Ew, I look sick. It is really matte. Really sticky. But I'm just gonna keep it on here to finish the video. The last product was two things. This is UHD Pro Setting Spray and Primer Spray. So I'm only gonna use the setting spray right now because I put a primer on earlier before my makeup, which I could have used the spray before, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna use this one. And that is all the products that I got from Shopmissa. I don't know. I liked most of the products. I just didn't like that foundation. That foundation probably gonna go in the garbage because I don't know. It didn't do nothing for my face. I could still see like my beauty marks. I could still see my freckles, kind of like my dark circles under my eyes. So I just wasn't really feeling it. But everything else is pretty nice. Oh, this pencil, I didn't really like the pencil. But I mean, to each his own. Maybe somebody else might like it if I don't like it. So I would recommend trying it out. I mean, it's only $1. You can't beat $1 for some makeup products. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Probably gonna be dropping it a couple days after this one, if I even ever drop this video. I'm gonna put this in there if I do drop it, because I want y'all to know that I was really hesitant on dropping this video. But yeah, I'm going to see which video I'm going to film next, and I hope you guys stay tuned.